Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the top 6 products. We'll be covering essential factors to consider before making your purchase, such as performance, price, and durability. Check out the description for detailed insights and the latest pricing information. Pellethead Mini 110V. Introducing the Pellethead Ash Vacuum Vault Pro, the ultimate solution for maintaining cleanliness and convenience in your indoor and outdoor heating setups. This Mini 110V version is designed to cater to a range of applications, from fireplaces and pellet stoves to grills, pizza ovens, and fire pits, and it is equipped with powerful suction capabilities. The Ash Vacuum Vault Pro effortlessly collects ash, soot, and debris, ensuring your spaces remain tidy and free from potential hazards. Its compact size and 110V compatibility make it easy to handle and use without compromising on performance. The vacuum features a secure locking mechanism that prevents the escape of particles during disposal. Crafted with durability in mind, the Pellethead Ash Vacuum Vault Pro boasts a sturdy construction that can withstand the demands of regular use. Cleaning up after fires has never been this hassle-free. Elevate your maintenance routine with the Pellethead Ash Vacuum Vault Pro and enjoy the benefits of a pristine environment around your heating installations. Porter Cable. Discover the efficiency and power of the Porter Cable 4-gallon Ash Vacuum in black, PCX 18184. With a robust 4-peak HP motor, this Ash Vacuum offers impressive suction capabilities, making it an ideal choice for effectively cleaning fireplaces, wood-burning stoves, bonfire pits, and pellet stoves. Designed for durability and ease of use, this vacuum boasts a 4-gallon capacity, ensuring you can tackle large cleaning tasks without frequent emptying. The sleek black designs add a touch of sophistication to your cleaning routine. The vacuum's compact size and ergonomic handle provide effortless maneuverability, making reaching even the tightest spots convenient. Featuring a reliable filtration system, the Porter Cable Ash Vacuum effectively traps ash and debris, preventing particles from escaping back into the air. The vacuum includes essential accessories for versatile cleaning, and its sturdy constructions ensures it can withstand the demands of heavy use. Elevate your ash cleaning experience with the Porter Cable 4-gallon Ash Vacuum. Its powerful performance and thoughtful design make it a dependable companion for maintaining a tidy and safe environment around your heating appliances. Joe ASHJ201. Looking for a no-fuss, no-mess machine to clean out your pellet burner? The Joe ASHJ201 is an affordable, entry-level model that will clean small jobs with ease. You don't need to move around a lot when cleaning most stoves. Therefore, Joe's lack of a wheel dolly works well for what's needed. Plus, it's pretty lightweight and easy to carry in by the handle. The 4-amp motor is a bit smaller than the competitors, but it has the perfect sucking power for getting out that fine ash found in your stove. This machine also has a nice size canister, so you can do many cleanings before emptying it. Just make sure to let your ash sit, since the double filter system on the machine isn't designed for those hot particles. Though this model doesn't have wheels, it does include a carrying handle that makes it easy to tote. This Joe Ash Vacuum has an 8.5-foot cord, a 3.9-foot hose, and an 11.8-inch long nozzle. Introducing the Vacmaster VOC508S 1102, a dynamic combination of a 5-gallon stainless steel wet-dry shop vacuum and a 3-gallon ash tank. This powerful duo offers versatile cleaning capabilities for both wet and dry messes, as well as efficient ash removal from fireplaces, stoves, and more. The 5-gallon stainless steel shop vacuum delivers impressive suction with a 1102-watt motor, making it perfect for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks. Its rugged stainless steel constructions ensure durability and longevity, even in demanding environments. The 3-gallon ash tank is specifically designed to handle ash removal, featuring a dedicated chamber that prevents ash from circulating back into the air. This makes it an essential tool for fireplaces, wood-burning stoves, and similar applications. With convenient features like a built-in blower function, large rear wheels for easy mobility, and a complete set of accessories, the Vacmaster VOC508S 11 So. Combo simplifies your cleaning routine. Experience the convenience of a versatile shop vacuum and specialized ash tank all in one, enhancing your cleaning efficiency and style. Shop-Vac 40409A8. The Shop-Vac 4-gallon 2.0 peak HP ash vacuum is your solution. This vacuum has a durable heat-resistant metal hose and canister. This vacuum efficiently tackles cold and warm ashes, maintaining safety with a maximum temperature threshold of 104.40. The HEPA filter, accompanied by a mesh cover, serves a dual purpose, preventing clogs and ensuring the motor's longevity by blocking ultra-fine dust particles. Notably, the filter and cover are washable and replaceable, providing a sustainable cleaning solution. The vacuum's 4-gallon stainless steel tank is thoughtfully designed to cater to various spaces, including fireplaces, woods and pellet-burning stoves, coal stoves, and barbecue grills. The inclusive accessories, including a hose, significantly enhance its versatility, granting access to even the most confined corners and spaces. Moreover, the 2.0 peak HP motor guarantees powerful suction, efficiently minimizing the need for frequent emptying during extended cleaning sessions. The Shop-Vac Ash Vacuum's robust and durable design ensures longevity, even under demanding usage scenarios. Convenience is further amplified by onboard storage for accessories, streamlining the cleaning process, and a sturdy handle that facilitates ease of transportation. Elevate your cleaning endeavors today with the Shop-Vac 4-gallon 2.0 peak HP ash vacuum. Aspiron. The Aspiron canister vacuum's shell comprises black and transparent plastic with orange accents. It weighs 14.9 pounds. This vacuum is 12 inches high, 12 inches wide, and 17 inches long. A large plastic wheel straddles each side, and an omnidirectional wheel is hidden beneath. Accessories include a vacuum hose that can be attached to a metal telescopic wand and a 10-inch wide floor nozzle that is used to vacuum floors and carpets. Other attachments include a crevice tool, dust brush, upholstery brush, and an ingeniously designed within suction-powered brush. This AC-powered device generates 405 ABW of suction, with a rated power of 1200 watts and a motor speed of 100,000 RPM. At maximum suction, this canister vacuum quickly pulls the most stubborn specks of dust and strands of hair from carpets. And when using the dust brush to clean drapes, suction can be reduced to gentler levels. The included 6-foot hose assembly can be easily connected to this device. When vacuuming the floor, the metal telescopic wand is also fitted. The various brushes and nozzles can be attached to either the wand or the hose. This 2.5-inch brush is designed to clean hard-to-reach and delicate surfaces, such as window frames and air vents. This vacuum has all the necessary brushes, and its dustbin can easily be emptied. We even appreciate the ability to rewind this device's 16-foot power cable by simply pressing a button. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.